This is an algebraic expression where you have to find the value of x when x minus 1 bracket power 3 is equals to 1. To solve this, the first transfer 1 to the left hand side, so expression becomes x minus 1 cube minus 1 equals to 0. This can also be written as x minus 1 cube minus 1 cube equals to 0. Now this equation is in the form of aq minus bq, which can be simplified by the rule of aq minus bq equals to a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus b square. So this expression simplifies to bracket x minus 1 minus 1 bracket close multiply bracket x minus 1 square plus 1 square plus x minus 1 multiply 1 bracket close. This further simplifies to bracket x minus 2 multiply bracket x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 plus x minus 1 bracket close. This one cancels and x minus 2x is minus x. So this further simplifies to bracket x minus 2 bracket close multiply bracket x square minus x plus 1 bracket close. Now equating this to 0, so we get the value of x equals to x minus 1 equals to 0 and x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. From here we get value of x equals to 2, and this expression is in the quadratic form, so let's find its delta, which is equals to b square minus 4ac. So delta equals to, as b equals to 1 minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 1. So delta equals to 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3. So the value of x equals to minus b plus minus square root of delta divided by 2a, which is equals to plus 1 plus minus square root minus 3 divided by 2. Therefore, x equals to 1 plus minus I square root of 3 divided by 2.